Kadam kata gue ada, ini bangga dak hanjang langsung long football pacu, ini bangga dung itu mana final pacu lo, nasi kata gue itu punang lawan, ini final pacu pacu pro bangga, Headar Youth Club and KSO, mana lah aku tim lo. Labang ke Headar tumbang lo, labang ke Cookie tumbang lo tu tumbang. Lama lah itu. Kenapa itu?
Between the Headar Youth Club and the guest of honor, along with our president of the Handala Sports Association, Led Kongching Timu and Led Kana.
Jersey number 10. Your name?
Handala Sports Association Pensila Bangso kapatu ko chipate kapat lasi Handala Sports Association and President Akihai Jesse Patok XCM Kalbelontan Mas Council Langli Phanta Karbia Po Pensi Denglo Ilit Malong Handala Sports Association Adun Maipu Vice President of HSA Sir William Singnar Langli Phanta Karbia Po Pen Kedeng Hia Panchuning Rilo Putau Chopapang Jang Alawi Pen Ilit Malong Kapachini Langli ke Anut ka break kali Kalitang Lokhan Singh Rong Phar la pen Kalitang Sikatiron Pi Alangli Supo Tuma Supo Akihai Pratap Singh Rong Phar Alangli Phan Karbia Poho Pen Kideng Kia Phan Si Chuning Rilo Ilit Numnon ke Aluhi tuman Chikimo siding kon bombo lapen players have been recruited tumke FIFA lupen kapathu aklamalong andami ko and all the dignitaries led by the Honorable President of Ladies and gentlemen, we are witnessing Sports Association Vice President Sir William Singner and all the dignitaries to introduce with the player. After introduction with the players, we will all rise up to pay tribute to our motherland by singing the national anthem. The Honorable General Secretary of CASA, Dr. Panchas Theron, the Honorable Director of WO, Salini Gurnahan, the
Tumbangnya kes itu no, lapu bangke header klub tumari dama.
We would like to felicitate you with the Karbi Poho.
Ya, aku pura 0-0 lah ya. Aku kesu nata 0 lah, aku header nata 0 lah. Half fast half no. Finally, jukti jodoh los, tapi popular 0-0 lah. Nonton kita company lang ni, patu tambah tulang ni, nak mati pelanti doa story ni, lah na. Non bang ke pelanti si cutor po, lepas tu si 0 menang masih pelanti bang si. Patu orang po, non pelanti tu koyo non makku nasi tu koyo langgung na poson-son ni. Ti cetul posipu ko kita ni pu sedang celap le. Jauh sekali ni tu.
Rang rang dan cekeri lah ya, be. Tembang bahaya pandan ya, pelanti kan.
Bikram Crew. May I request Sir Sankar Terang, a referee. May I also request Mrs. Tahin Rongpi, a referee. May I also request Sir Gulsan Rongpi, a referee. I would like to also request the match commissioner of this tournament, Sir Rajan Rongpi N. May I also request American staff, Sir Sujit Terang. I request our secretary to do the honor. Thank you so much. Now we go for the prize distribution ceremony, and we have is jersey number 7 from Waisong Club. May we have jersey number 7, our friend from Waisong Club to come. We are witnessing Sir Dhiren Ponghan presenting the trophy. Now we will go for the best player award, and the best player award will be presented by the respected president of Hanyang Sports Association, and the best player goes to Sakhid Rongpi of Heather Youth Club. May I request Sakhid Rongpi to come forward and receive your award from the president of Hanyang Sports Association. Congratulations, Sakhid. It's time to present runner-up trophy, and first of all, we will present the cash prize, and to present this cash prize, may I request Sarlang Tuk Timung SK, the donor family. And the runner-up trophy goes to Heather Youth Club. May I request captain and manager by our chief guest, the Honorable Executive Member of the Caribbean Autonomous Council, Sir Surya Rangpua. And the champion trophy goes to KSLFC. May I request all the KSLFC members to come forward and receive the champion trophy. Congratulations to KSLFC. They are the champion of Greater Hanyang Club Football Championship 20. Okay.